Let me start by saying I bought this pink color Soundpeats True Air 2 earbuds for my wife, not for myself. Yeah, I don't normally use pink color things. Anyway, there are lots of good reviews covering in depth on this Soundpeats True Air 2 earbuds. So in this video, I'll just share my experience of using these very affordable earbuds and summarize who these earbuds are designed for. Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. I recently saw great reviews on these Soundpeats True Air 2 earbuds, and the price is like half the price of the earbuds my wife is currently using, and about a third of the price of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live that I'm using. So I bought this True Air 2 for my wife to try it out. When she first tried it on for the first time, her first impression was that this is so much more comfortable than the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 that she has been using for quite a while. But she also says that the True Air 2 audio quality is not as good as the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 because it doesn't have any ear tips that goes into the ear canal. Well, I adjusted the earbuds speakers to aim at her ear canal, and her impression completely changed and said, "Oh, wow, the sound quality is so good." Yeah, I think this is the problem with half-in-ear earbuds. We have to adjust to direct the speaker grills towards our ear canal in order to get good sound quality. I've made a video about this topic for my Galaxy Buds Live, which the link should be appearing on the top right. As for me, I feel the sound quality of this Soundpeats True Air 2 is pretty good. I would say it's above average. It has good wide soundstage because there is an air vent on top, but the bass, mids and highs separation is not as good as more expensive earbuds like Galaxy Buds. This is because of its single 14mm speaker driver. Now, in terms of comfort and fit, my wife says her previous Soundcore Liberty Air 2 is not so comfortable. Her ears are irritated after wearing her old Soundcore Liberty Air 2 for about an hour of watching Korean drama. She prefers this Soundpeats True Air 2 because it's a lot more comfortable. She also said she doesn't like the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 auto-pausing when she takes one of the earbuds out. And this Soundpeats True Air 2 doesn't do that. But isn't auto-pausing supposed to be a feature? There are lots of people paying money for the high-end earbuds with feature like this. I guess every consumer is different. Like my wife, she prefers simple earbuds that simply just works, don't need any bells and whistles. I'm glad Soundpeats doesn't have this feature to actually bring the cost down. When I tried using this True Air 2 for Zoom video conferencing, the voice quality and connectivity is so good to the extent I'm even thinking of buying another pair for myself. I can comfortably use these earbuds for 2 to 3 hours of video conferencing on Zoom, and I tested it out with my Asus Windows laptop. This is a quick audio demo. You guys can be the judge to tell me how good the audio quality is. This is a Soundpeats True Air 2 audio test over Zoom. The audio is going from my True Air 2 earbuds into my Asus ZenBook laptop, transmitted over Zoom to my Galaxy tablet speakers, and then recorded using my Galaxy Note mobile phone. So how does the audio quality sound? Leave a comment down below. Pairing with a second device is very easy too. Turn off Bluetooth on the first device and the earbuds will automatically go into pairing mode for the second device to pair. Whenever the earbuds are disconnected, it's always in pairing mode, so we don't even need to think about how to activate pairing mode. There is a voice feedback constantly and swiftly telling me its status in single words like disconnected, pairing, connected, and so on. Now, great jobs, Soundpeats. I feel this is a very intuitive user experience design because it's so easy to connect. I don't even need to find how to set these earbuds into pairing mode. Switching between devices is also super quick and fast. Have a look at this demo.
Disconnected. Pairing. Connected. Disconnected. Pairing. Connected.
Now, the thing to note is that we have to disconnect from the first current connected device before the second device can be connected. We cannot use the second device to pull the connection across if it's connected to the first device. I think why the connectivity is so reliably good is because of the Qualcomm chip that is used in these earbuds. Okay, I'll do a quick shoot on all the things my wife and I like and don't like about these Soundpeats earbuds. We like its compact size, very convenient and very comfortable for everyday use. Now, we don't like the oversensitive touch controls. The one that we have doesn't have wireless charging, but it's okay because we have USB-C chargers everywhere in the house. The plastic on both the earbuds and the case feels kind of cheap. It's like a toy. But I don't mind that if it brings down the cost. It has very strong and secure magnet holding the buds in the case. And my wife likes the sweet pink color, of course. So who are these Soundpeats True Air 2 earbuds designed for? Now, if you are searching for a low-budget true wireless earbuds to wear for hours to listen to podcasts, watch YouTube or Netflix, and use them for online meetings like Zoom and Microsoft Teams, these are the earbuds for you. Now, don't get these earbuds if you are looking for high-quality audio and want to immerse yourself in music entertainment where you demand really good, clear audio separation. And also, don't even try working out or exercise with these earbuds because they'll just fall out of your ears in no time. Now, other than these two cases, I think this Soundpeats True Air 2 actually ticks a lot of boxes when it comes to mid-range, affordable earbuds. If you like the way I showcase my tech gear, covering topics that are not covered by other channels, consider subscribing. Thanks for supporting my work. Don't forget to like this video if you find it useful. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and look after yourself. Bye.